8 easy steps to perfect French tip nails. Hey there, beauties. Today we're going to show you how to achieve perfect French tip nails in just 8 easy steps. So grab your nail polish and let's get started. Step 1. Start with cleaning, trimming, and filing your nails. Step 2. Apply a base coat to protect your nails. Step 3. Apply a nude or light pink color to your entire nails. Step 4. Take white nail polish and apply it to the tip of your nails. Step 5. Take a small brush and dip it in nail polish remover. Use it to clean up any mistakes or smudges. Step 6. Apply a second coat of white nail polish to the tips to make it more opaque. Step 7. Apply a top coat to protect the entire nail and make it shiny. Step 8. Take cuticle oil and apply it to moisturize nails and cuticles. You're done. You now have perfect French tip nails. If you want your nails to last even longer, reapply the top coat every few days. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe www.thebodyemporium.net/tippytoes.